Good morning. It is only 9:30 here on the West Coast, but I am already thinking about lunch. So today, as I promised in yesterday's video, I am going to make an easy stir fry, and I've got all the ingredients so you can follow along. Ingredients you can find anywhere. So stay tuned. Here's a shot of what the finished meal looks like. So it was so delicious. The first thing I did was dice up some carrots, 2 carrots, half an onion, and an orange pepper. The next thing I did is I had some rice noodles and I needed to figure out how to cook those. I diced up some tofu, a block of tofu, and then I sizzled it all in the pan. You can see there it is a sizzling away. When the rice noodles were done, I added a little bit of sesame oil to keep it from sticking. And there is another shot of the tofu cooking. And after that was done, I added the carrots and the onion. Then I added the pepper. That's when everything started to come together. All I had was these frozen broccoli spears. I added those, cooked those down. Then I added that much garlic powder, however much that is. Sprinkled that on top. Added the tofu back in. Then I wanted a little bit of soy sauce and some maple syrup. So I put about a tablespoon each in there. Stirred that around. Added back in my rice noodles once those were all cooked. And that is the final shot. Let's see how it tastes. It smells delicious. Oh my gosh. That is so good. I wish these broccoli were smaller, but it's all I had, so that's what we cooked. Look at that. Sinfully delicious with all that sesame oil that I added. Well, I didn't add that much. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this meal as much as I did. And I will talk to you again soon. Bye.